All right, so I'm so excited. 7-pot, 928,000 Scoville to 1.8 million, depending on what website you read. Look at these beauties. Oh man, they look like the apocalypse. So excited! I'm gonna ferment these. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna rock people's worlds at the tailgate with this. Like, they're gonna be like, oh yeah, I like hot stuff. Oh yeah, really? You like hot stuff? Try my fermented 7-pot hot sauce. Look at that thing. Woo! Gold, don't drop it. Look at that thing. Yummy. Oh man, I'm so excited. Now, the good thing is you can definitely tell these from the rest of my peppers, so I think it'll be okay to put them together. I don't think I'm gonna confuse the 7-pots. Now, I grew these from seed, and what's funny is this is the first of them that has actually been ripe, and you can see there's a green one over here. I'm not gonna pull that, but I'm gonna pull all these darks, and man, I am gonna make a fermented hot sauce that is gonna blow people's minds. Yes, yes, my precious.